In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter formulas in Google Sheets using auto-suggestions like sum. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document. Make sure you're in the sheet and tab where your data lives, so everything you need is visible. Having your numbers ready in a clear column or row will make the next steps easier to follow. Next, click the cell where you want your formula's result to appear. This is important because formulas always return their result into the cell you have selected. Think of this cell as the spot where your calculation will live. Now, begin typing your formula by entering an equals sign. All formulas in Google Sheets start with equals. As soon as you type the first letter after the equals sign, Sheets begins offering suggestions. For example, type EOS and you'll see a drop-down menu with functions that start with S. This is Sheets' way of helping you find the right function without memorizing names. From that drop-down, choose Sum. You can click on it to insert it. Sum is the function that adds numbers together, which is perfect when you're totaling up a list of values, like expenses, sales, or scores. Once Sum appears, you'll see parentheses. Inside those parentheses, enter the range of the values you want to add. A typical range looks like A1, A10 for a column or A1, E1 for a row. You can type the range directly or click and drag across your cells to fill it in automatically. If your numbers are in one continuous block, using the colon is the cleanest way to capture everything from the first cell to the last in that span. As you enter the range, Sheets will often highlight the selected cells, giving you a visual confirmation that you've included the correct data. Double-check that the range references exactly what you want. If you see a comma instead of a colon, that means you're listing separate ranges rather than a continuous one, so adjust it if needed. And that's all done. Your total will display in the cell you selected, and the formula remains there, so it updates automatically if your data changes. From here, remember this handy tip. Whenever you start typing a formula, like else for sum, Google Sheets automatically suggests the most relevant functions. Use that drop-down to quickly pick the right one and keep your work accurate and efficient. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save by letting Google Sheets guide your formulas.